15 miles an hour, gusting to 25. At Wilmington, thunder was reported.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, western Pender County in southeastern North Carolina, northeastern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina until 4:45 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sandy Field, or 16 miles northwest of Leland, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rowan, Sandy Field, Freeman, Montague, Curry, The Burrow, Malvis Corner, Delco, Woods Corner, Kelly, Brooks, Woodard, Rachel Wood, Penerlia, Point Coswell, East Arcadia, Atkinson and Wappay. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 389 and 396. U.S. Route 74 between mile markers 413 and 422. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen and Pender.
Here at 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observation.